YouTube family, I'd like to say thank you guys once again for tuning in to the channel, man. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video, share it so we can get it out to whoever needs to see it. Like I said, we're on our way to 10,000 subs, man. Let's try to get that by the end of the year. That'd be a huge accomplishment for your boy. And when we do get there, I will be doing a huge giveaway. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna be money, clothes, whatever, etc. But we'll make that happen for sure. Macys, that's the video we're getting into today. We're gonna go slide by Macys right now in the parking lot, just waiting on some food. We're gonna slide by Macys. They keep sending me emails on sale. So we're gonna go in there and see. I'm not too specific what they have in the sale on, but they do have a sale on some Ralph Lauren items, but we're gonna go in here and check that out. I think it's with a coupon. I don't know if they have it posted up in the store, but we will see. So you guys come along and we're gonna track that. And if we haven't already, man, you guys go ahead and sub to my other channels as well. When I say other, I mean like other social media platforms. My TikTok, that is Scotty_Nino, as well as my Instagram. Like I say, that is where you guys will see me put most of these outfits on and show them off. So if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to those channels as well. So let's go ahead, y'all. Let's get into this video. family, we are back to the crib, man. As you can see, we did end up picking up a package, but we did order it from Ralph Lauren. We didn't grab anything at the store today, but they did have a lot of nice pieces. So let me get into this joint right here. I can see the typical Ralph Lauren box. I always love how they box their stuff. We'll end up ordering a Rugby. Y'all know it's that time of the year. It's definitely that time of the year. Excuse me. Navy, orange. Y'all know how I feel about them colorways. On the front right here. What did this say on the front? Just Eastern Division Athletic Association. And on the back, just the number 3. Now these Rugby's, normally I just order my normal size, which is a large. What I order in regular polo shirts, and make sure there's one. Yeah, just like a regular shirt. I do get my normal size. Y'all see the back one more time. You see the front. Inside of this is made a little different. Oh, it's just this collar right here. Y'all can see that. Super dope, navy and orange. I probably put this on with some navy cargos, some Ralph Lauren cargos. So let me try this joint on for y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. So as you guys can see, this is the Rugby. Try it on. So I'll let you guys see the bag. Y'all know me with these long sleeve shirts. I like to roll mine up. Check it out. Feet is dope too. It's not too big or anything like that. They just run along because they are Rugby polos, of course. Perfect on the sleeves underneath here. Got enough room. This is perfect. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about these. Also, when we speaking on Rugby's, y'all let me know. Are y'all like, are we rocking with Rugby's or do we just going normally with the polos? Me personally, I wasn't really into Rugby's until recently, until I started purchasing. So now it's like I have to have 2 or 3 of them in the closet. I don't know. Even though I think I have more than that, I just gotta grab a few of them. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, or if y'all be purchasing this one, or if you already have it already. So let's get to the good part. Let me show you guys what sneakers we will be pairing up with this polo. And on to the sneakers. Your boy will be rocking his Yeezy 500 in flames. Just matching up the navy with the navy with the orange on the shoe. Nah, so just basically rocking the navy with the orange. I got my cargos put up somewhere. Just be like a little throw and go fit. I did want to bring to you all. And this, I think this Rugby was like 160, something like that. And I actually grabbed it when they was doing the, I don't know if they still running the sale, the 25% off on ralphlauren.com. So you may be able to still squeeze that in there. But you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think about this outfit. Let me know what you think about all the items you've seen in this video. And like I said earlier, if y'all rocking with the Rugby's, let me know. If not, regular polos, let me know that as well. But as I was checking this shirt out, it's something I left out on this shirt. It was extra stitching at the top of this shirt right here on both of the shoulders. So I'm thinking it's why on the inside of the shirt, why it's stitched like that. I don't know, it's kind of stitched like it's an actual jersey. And I know Rugby's all kind of like jerseys, but supposedly. But yeah, this stitching on the top of this shirt is extremely different. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about everything in the video. If you haven't already, like I said at the beginning of the video, follow my other social medias. TikTok, which is Scotty_Nino, as well as my Instagram, Scotty_Nino. I'm gonna beat that in y'all head because I know I get questions on the channel still in the comments where basically why I didn't put the whole outfit on or what else I wore with certain outfits. Like I said, you go to my Instagram, or not really my Instagram, my TikTok, I show everything out. Like on TikTok, you'll probably see this fit together with the cargos and how we put it together with the sneakers, accessories, and everything. So once again, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, checking your boy out. If you haven't already, before I get out of here, I'm gonna continue to keep saying this. We're on our way to 10,000 subs, man. Y'all go ahead, hit that like, follow, subscribe button before we get up out of here. I appreciate y'all. Till the next video, I'm out.